Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add admins on your LinkedIn business page. So let's say you have a LinkedIn business page that you've been managing for a while and you want to hand over this page to a social media manager, or you just want to add another member of your team or your brand to this page so they could handle this page for you. I'm going to be showing you how to do that in here. So for you to even get started adding admin to your LinkedIn page, you have to have a LinkedIn business page. And to do this, you just have to come over to this your icon in here. Scroll to the parts that you have for business in it. Once you see this for business, click on the drop down bar and then you're going to see create a company page just here. Once you click on create a company page, it is going to bring you up to this section where you just have to follow through the process in order to create a company page. I made a detailed tutorial on how to create a company page in here on LinkedIn, and this is on my profile, and I'm also going to be tagging the tutorial on this video. So once you just go through the process in here, you're going to have your page ready. Now once your page is ready and you want to add up admin, the next thing you're going to do is to go over to the page. Now if you look at the left hand side of my screen, you're going to see this part that has my pages, and you can see that there are up to 3 pages in here. So let's go ahead and click on this last one here. Once you click on it, it is going to bring you into the page dashboard. So what you're going to do once you're here is to scroll down until you see settings. You want to click on settings. Once you click on settings, it's going to bring you into this dashboard where you see manage admin, manage restricted members, and then there is manage following. But what we're going for in this video is the manage admin. So once you click on the manage admin, you're going to see those that are admins in the role. The page admin, there is the paid page admin and the integration. Now you want to add an admin. This is most probably not a paid page admin, so you would make sure that it is on the page admin part. And as you can see, we have just one admin, which is just me, and I am the super admin. So you can just come over to this part that has the add admin process to add your admin. What you're going to do is to go ahead to search for the member that you would want to add. So once you search for their name in here, it is going to come up, and then you can decide to either give them the super admin role, the content admin role, or the analyst. The super admin role gives this user total access to the page. They can edit the page, they can remove all admins, they can delete the page, they can manage all admins. So a super admin literally has total control over the page. And then there is the content admin. This kind of admin access gives the person or the admin just a role to post and manage content. They could post content, they could manage the content that are post, they could respond to comments, respond to messages, and just get basic analytics of the page. And then you have the analyst. This analyst only have access to view and export analytics on LinkedIn, and we have limited access to third-party partner tools. So you can just scroll through, understand the kind of role you want to give to anybody you're bringing up to your page, and ensure that you're giving them the right role. And once this is done, and you just come over to this part and hit on save, and you've added an admin to your LinkedIn page. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.